Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la.
Hey guys, this is the last remaining of that PC monitor. That's that I think what it was, Compaq SR5000. Yeah. So yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna finish the rest, taking it all apart. So I'll come closer to you guys because it's messing back from the plant, sorting out the camera. You see, there's a bit of aluminium there, aluminium there. This is aluminium here. Yeah, got battery there. Some bit of aluminium, a bit of steel, bit of copper there. So these big long boards there. A bit more copper there and there. And then, a load of copper wire. And then, as some people say, call them crystals. Just like this but have a look around. Some bit more aluminium just there. These more round bits here. And these classes alley. God knows what will be in these square bronze. Yeah. Then underneath is this, that. So, let's get right into the video. So, cut the cable off. Put the cable to one side off camera. Technically not off camera, it's just like foot of my knee. Technically front of my knee, but my right hand side, but a bit more forward. Yeah. So just a plug there, so I've got a bit of cable. I'm going to show you how I cut this. I might cut front. Yeah. Because I wanted to get this out of the way. But halfway, actually technically just gone past halfway, taking it all apart and doing it video, and yeah, I did my scrap weighing. I wanted it to get out of my way for a bit. The scrap. Yeah, but just wanted to get it out of my way and start all again, because on the video of me taking weighing my scrap in, I did do a video on it, and I made the video. I forgot to edit the video because some don't know why, but when I was videoing, I didn't know when I was going into editing software, somehow it was upside down. And I thought, what's going on here? I don't know why it went upside down for. And so I did upload it on a separate day, but the right way round. And I'll put a link of that in the description on that one, and then do it like that. But really, not much people don't pay attention most of the time. Reading descriptions and that, or they don't read the title properly enough. So that's all my cables that way. So technically I don't need these cutters. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off this fan. Yeah, it's like sometimes when I try to do what I can and blah, there's quite a fair bit of people say, hey Mark, I'll be there for you. But then technically they're actually not, because they don't comment when you want them to. A bit of plastic come off. Yeah, just only a bit, that should come off just literally in my hand, and got all that dust up what's just compact into the fan. This is why sometimes I think this is why my laptop's doing it, because all the dust what's getting inside on it, it wonder why it overheats. I never looked inside these fans. Oh, what's my cutter? Sorry. Nice. Right, there's screw there then. If there is one. That magnet inside on it. It were a circle board. Yeah, would have been a circle. So inside these motors, look. Inside the fans, so you got the copper wire, no. Can't tell if I'll save that till last. Right. So I got a bucket of aluminium inside of me. So just got this copper. It's all them. Well, that went fine. And a bit on it went to my mouth. Like I say, for example, I just cut one of them in half, and then one bit went over there, one went in my mouth. There. So that's a bit of copper wire. Well, I can't get in. Yeah. That one's broke. Yeah, another bit got left behind. So just in my aluminium. So it's just where the fan's been. Wow. There you go. Just where the fan's been. It's just that without that, then there's another there. And it's fastened in there, so I just lifted it up like that. Lift up that. And that. Without that, see all come out. It can't get it. Yeah, I think the rest of them are golden pins there. I'll put it to one side, that. So I'll rip all this aluminium out here. Yeah, so all these. Yeah. A lot of people say, Mark, your videos are boring when they're long. So, well, sometimes I just got my arse to edit, like make some stuff fast, and some stuff I just got my arse to say. Just to continue just ripping apart. Right, let's see. So these plastic square bits, side on them is this copper wire. So cut one off, or it might be aluminium. Looking at it, it might be copper or alley. It might be a thing. It might be alley. So I'll put them to one side if it's copper or alley. Take these other bits off. That there. Take all the alley bits off. I'll try and stream my channel. Then you guys are not. Taking this heat sink off. Yeah, there's another bit of aluminium. Yeah. Oh, there's two of these on here. One that way and one that way. So there's two of these. Minus one because I disrupted it. But I'll put a magnet to that in a minute. What is it? What is it with my magnet? I'll find it at some point. It's what's going on. Unless if it's magnetic stainless, because oh guys, this is magnetic. So some bits. Makes it easy, and then I don't have to stress. So, take this out with a bit of alley. Not easy is that. Okay. Just over there. And I just got cutters underneath and just pulled it off. Disconnect the battery. I've seen a lot of people where they got that, put it upside down, like that bit, upside down in the mouth. And then they do end up regretting it, or doing it. I said, well, you did it. say, well, you did it to your son. So, technically, I didn't force you to do it. Just some people just do it. I just taken all these aluminium bits off to find out they are aluminium. They were noting these USBs, I know that for a fact, I think. Just other bits. So I just think this is a way to take this whole metal off. There you go. Yeah, so technically I'm not taking them off because there's no point taking them off because I know definitely nobody won't have them off me anyway. So I take these bits off there, the copper wire and the aluminium. After I take these other two bits of alley off, get it in front of me. Aluminium into it. Yeah. Another bit of copper. Yeah. Take that bit of plastic off there, see what that is. Another bit of copper. It's just that small, this copper there. Is it? Yeah, really, really small red copper wire. Yeah. Sweet. But then on here anyway, is that just a bit of gold on there, but no point me taking that out because it's only a bit. So that was just going at basic scrap anyway. Yep. Put the next one there. So not strong enough. Now put it like that. So yeah, that's all folks. Just got a handful of copper wire, yeah, the gold, yeah, some weight in that because the that bit looks like I probably can get into it, but yeah, I showed all this copper wire. That might be all aluminium, so we'll put it as one, and I'll put it in summit, and at some point, and I thought start it one day in the future. So yeah. Not too bad to say there. Just got these plug rods off at cable. Yeah, stuck in the scrap or stuck in the rubbish. I'll put them out to one side, I don't know. So yeah, peace. Put all this cable in the bag, put it out one way, and then put my tools away, and then you guys see you on the next one. Peace.